Hello children, let's learn some colors. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Orange color, orange color. Green color, green color. Sky blue color, sky blue color. Let's learn some alphabets and numbers. A for apple. A for apple. A. B for ball. B for ball. B. C for crab. C for crab. C for crab. Numbers. 1 Green color, 1. Two. Orange color, 2. Three. Sky blue color, 3. A for apple. B for ball. C for crab. Numbers. 1 2 3. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.